Next topic we shall read here, that is flotation. Okay, what is flotation? Flotation means something is floating in a liquid or a fluid, that is flotation. Okay, let's say a liquid is here and we are just, and an object is given. Let's say this is an object that is given here. This is an object. Okay, now the object is floating here in the water or any other liquid. Let's say the mass of the object I am taking, not the mass, the density of the object I am taking d1 and the density of the liquid I am taking d2. So when an object is floating in a liquid, what I am saying, when an object is floating in a liquid, that's mean the density of the object is less than the density of the liquid. Is it clear? The density of the object is less than the density of the liquid. In that case only the object will float. This is the case of float. Okay, so when the density of the object is less than the density of the liquid, তার মানে কিছুই না, তার মানে অবজেক্টটা হালকা লিকুইডের থেকে, so that's why it will float. Okay, next, if the density of the object is greater than the density of the liquid, then the object will sink. When the density of the object is greater than the density of the liquid, then the object will sink. That's mean the object is heavier than the liquid. Is it okay? So this is the case of flotation. A big description is given in your book, read it. Okay, and after that if you can't understand then ask me. Very easy topic. Okay, another thing we need to know here, that let's say this is okay, but when the object is flows like this, and another case, let's say an object is floating like this, that's mean its surface is on the surface of the liquid. This is called partial floating. Okay, or submerge, this is also called submerge. So when this happens, when both density are same, when both densities are same, okay, then these things happens. Okay, next, comparison of density between solid, liquid and gas. You know better than me, because in case of solid all the molecules are compact, so of course its density will be high. After that it is low, it's not more denser than solid. Okay, so solid is the densest, and after that liquid is denser than gas, and gas have the lowest density. Okay, so solid has highest density and liquid has lowest density. Why we know? Because in case of solid all the molecules are in close packed format. In the liquid the molecular space is little bit high, and in gas there is no molecular force. That's mean the molecular space can be, the molecular separation can be up to infinity. So this is of low density, and this density, its density is moderate and its density is highest. Is it okay? Okay, so this is end of the chapter. A few numericals are given there using the formula directly, but what you have to keep in mind, whether the units are in same process, units are in same systems. That's mean either all the units in CGS or all the units in SI. You have to keep that thing in your mind. Okay, unless the problems are very easy. Okay, so this is the end of the chapter 2 and end of today's class. Okay students, we shall meet at 9 AM most probably. Okay, whatever. So thank you.